The Ministry of Home Affairs under Government of India has banned the Popular Front of India and its affiliates for 5 years under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, 1967 and declared it as unlawful association for having contacts with terrorist groups in September 2022. Recently, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Tribunal also upheld the centre's decision to ban Popular Fronts of India and its affiliates. Popular Front of India was created in 2007 through the merger of 3 Muslim organizations from southern India, namely National Development Front, Kerala; Karnataka Forum for Dignity, Karnataka; Manitha Neethi Pasarai, Tamil Nadu. The formation of the PFI was formally announced at a rally in Bengaluru during what was called the Empower India Conference on February 16, 2007.